Online home jobs. Make money at home. Being a blogger has its joys. But that doesn't mean it's easy to be a blogger. Running a blogging website is not an easy task considering the effort required to consistently create content for your followers. The blogging experience is very fulfilling, and it feels great to grasp the fact that when your blog is live, there's someone reading it and maybe getting some life-changing valuable insights about something, or simply having fun reading about your journey. Whether you're running a blog for your own fulfillment, or you use your blog to bring in sales, there's no denying that each and every additional subscriber increases the worth of your blog as a whole. The truth is that you just need to put some extra effort to draw more people to subscribe to your blog. This task is definitely achievable, and you'll be able to improve your blog's subscriber rate with these simple tips. 1. Create great content. There is no way around this. Your content needs to be of top quality and add solid value to your readers. Consider the areas your target market would have an interest in and build informative and very well-written content on these subjects. 2. Your blog must look professional. Similar to other areas of life, your blog must have a good first impression. Make your blog stand out and look interesting and attractive to captivate new visitors, and encourage them to flow through the blog content. You must also make sure that new visitors stay long enough to read your blogs, and have an interest enough to come back to your blog again and again. 3. Boost traffic to your blog. Creating quality content isn't the only thing you have to do. You must advertise your blog so people will know that it exists. Tell your friends about your blog, use social media to spread the word about your blog, and make sure that your blog content is properly optimized for engagement. Encourage your readers to share your blog with their friends to bring in even more readers. More readers will turn into more subscribers, especially if your blog creates a powerful bond between you and your readers. 4. Create a bold subscription form. Your readers shouldn't have to search for the subscription form, it should be right there for them to sign up. Use a bright, attractive color for the subscribe button and be clear that the subscription is free. The sign-up form should be simple enough to make sure that any interested person can fill it out and complete it in a very short time, preferably in a few seconds or less. This will make subscribing to your blog easy and convenient for your readers. Follow these 4 tips and you will be on your way to having a vibrant and successful blog in no time. Do you agree, or do you disagree? Tell us what you thought about this video. What other ideas can you add to this list that I may have not mentioned? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, share it with a friend. You can read more information like this at onlinehomejobs.com and subscribe to our newsletter. Also, like and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to receive more tips like this. Thanks and have a great day.